guys, I'm going to show you how I installed these bad boys and how easy they were to wire up. They were fairly easy to do, and I just want to share my experience with y'all real quick. But so first thing I did was I pulled the old housing out, and it's very, very easy to do. There's a screw right here at the top, and there's another one on the other side facing up as well. There's another Phillips screw right here and another one on the other side right here where my finger's at. There's a 10mm bolt, and that allows you to pull the housing out. When you pull the housing out, there's a screw at the bottom, which is for your, your headlight, how it aims up and down, your original one. Unscrew that all the way, and then you're able to pull the headlight housing, the headlight itself out, and you're left with the plastic housing. Now let me do this. What you're left with is kind of three rails. You got this rail right here, this one, and the other one. I screwed down the light bar or the pod in the middle rail. There was no drilling necessary. I just bolted it down on the middle one, and it fit perfectly, and I ran the wire out from underneath to the box because these have halos. So there's a box right here that I just zip tied right there. Now, as far as tapping into it, since I have a box for the LED halos, I shoved the passenger wiring harness up here because I ain't gonna use it anymore, and I taped it all up. But the blue is the high beams, I'm pretty sure. No, the blue's the low beams, white is high beams, and green is ground. If I got that mixed up, then flip the blue and the white around, but I know green is ground. And I twist the blue and the white together. That way the lights would come on no matter if I was in high beams or low beams. I want them to come on no matter what. As soon as I hit the lights for them to come on, I want them to come on. And I mean, they come on. So I don't know if y'all can tell they're on. Yeah, you can. See, high beams, low beams, they're on. So they come on, and the only thing I do hate about them is that they come with a remote, and you have to turn the headlights off and turn the halos on and choose what you want. And whenever you turn the headlights off and back on, it resets completely. And then when this remote gets wet, you're donezo. So I don't know if I'd recommend getting the halos unless they had just one setting. The only other complaint is that those are more of a spot than a flood. I wish they were more of a flood pod. I ain't trying to see 10 miles down the trail. I just want to see a lot of what's in front of me and just flood light everywhere. But that's why I have the 12-inch light bar. Another thing that we did, I had that light bar forever. I just did the pods. What we did on my buddy's bike was we had the low beams for the pods. We ran a relay for the high beam. That way we wouldn't burn up a switch. And we ran the relay for the light bar. So the light bar was the high beam. I didn't do that on this bike because I already cut a hole for a switch. So I wasn't trying to, just have a blank hole sitting there. But yeah, guys, it's super easy to do. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, I'd also recommend getting some flood pods instead of more of a spot pods. But hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.